Hi, Christopher with ChristopherFoxBuilders.com. Today we're talking about boathouses and boat storage. Here we've taken a 1960s boathouse, we've modernized it, made it larger and bigger to fit those more modern boats. We've taken it, we've raised it up about 4 feet and extended it back 10 feet. We've again utilized local materials to do the siding and cladding, and we've added a 20-foot deck above, allowing for the water to be able to shed through the floor joists and keep that boat dry in the space below. Atop of that boathouse, we created a wonderful usable deck space, buffet area and storage. And then we included and added these iron railings to basically allow for a less obstructive view of the yard, lake, and all the natural surroundings. And remember, for your custom design build projects, contact Christopher at ChristopherFoxBuilders.com.